Hello guys, this is the Realme C61. I just got this phone from Jumia around 135 to 140,000 and it's still on sale. You can order this phone. You can see it comes with a 90Hz IPhone 4 display, 48 months of fluency, Face ID, fingerprint unlock. You got 40 months battery health guarantee, IP54 water resistance and rainwater smart touch, which means you can operate this phone under rainfall. Let's see what else we got in the box. You can see it comes with a sticker with this 24 months warranty and all the other stuff. See, it comes with a transparent silicone case and the paper works. Then see, it's a transparent paper case. And then what else you got inside is the phone itself. You can see there's the Realme C61. This is the gold color of it. Then we got a USB-C to USB-A cable, and the adapter also is inside the box. This is the adapter, the power brick. It's a 5 volts, 15 watts charger. Though it is not a 18 or a 20 watts, it's pretty much fast. You can juice up the phone for around 2 hours plus. You can get from 0 to 100%. And I'll keep the rest inside the box. Okay, and let's put the box aside for now. Then let's talk about the phone. This phone comes with a 6 gigs of RAM and a 128 MB storage, and the main camera here is a 50 megapixel sensor, and the other one is just a secondary lens. Don't know what it does, it's just there. On the top we have nothing. On the side we have the same tray. On the left hand side the same tray, and on the right hand side we have the volume rockers and the power button, which also doubles as the fingerprint sensor, and it's pretty fast. On the bottom we have the 3.5mm jack, the microphone Type-C ports, and the speaker grid. On the top we get the front facing camera and the earpiece. This is not a stereo speaker. It doesn't support stereo speaker. It's just a mono speaker phone. This comes with a Realme UI 5.0 and some pre-installed app which can easily be uninstalled. This is pretty much everything got in the box, and it's running on Android 14 out of the box. And Realme has promised to provide a 1-year update, which means if you buy this phone now, you are going to be getting Android 15 by the time it's available. You can see here, it comes with the Realme UI Android 14 out of the box. And before this year will run out, we are expected to receive Android 15 update, which is the only update that we're going to receive. This one comes with a 6 gig of RAM, which can be expandable to 18 gig of RAM through virtual RAM, and the MB storage is 128 gig. This is pretty much it, and it's currently on sale on Jumia. You can order yours and they will deliver it to you or pick it